Kool-Aid ice cream. Yeah, it's weird, but let's be weird together, right?
Guys, I stutter. Get over it. Just enjoy the video.
Hey my honey pies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. I have so much more to come. And if you're returning, welcome back, boo. Guys, I want to make something today, and I don't know how it's going to come out. It's only 3 ingredients, and it's freaking Kool-Aid ice cream. So let's just get right into it. Let's try to make some ice cream with these 3 simple ingredients. This ice cream, you need a bowl, a packet of Kool-Aid of any flavor of your choice. I decided to go with strawberry because, I mean, strawberry is the go-to kind, right? You need sugar and you need milk. Any type of milk you want. I'm going to use vanilla soy milk. For one, I drink soy milk, so let's just do vanilla and give it like a little taste. I'm going to go with the sugar first because, I mean, who wants it to stick to the cup, right? Is that a cup? Ew. How's that on my finger? Okay. Uh-oh. Gotta make sure it's a cup. Is that a cup? Okay. Now we need 3 cups of milk. Actually, I'm gonna do the Kool-Aid package next. Just go straight in there. See how it looks so far? Okay, now, 3 cups of milk. Okay, hold on. I gotta grip this a certain way. 1. Smells so good. 2. And 3. You can use any kind of milk you want. I use soy milk because it's the kind I drink. So now we're just going to whisk it all together until the Kool-Aid and sugar dissolves. It's dissolved. Now it's time to cover it and put it in the freezer for 2 hours. So I'm gonna cover this, put it in the freezer, and I'll check back in. I'm such a fat kid. I cannot wait until this ice cream done. It's only been like an hour since I put it inside the freezer, and I don't think I can wait till tomorrow. I think I'm gonna have to try it tonight because it smells so good, and I tasted it out the bowl, and it's so I'm gonna keep you guys updated because I might just eat it tonight. So it's been 3 hours now, and this is how it looks. So now we're gonna turn on the mixer and get it all mixed up before we refreeze it. So it's all blended up. And we're gonna put it in a container and it's gonna sit overnight. And then tomorrow we're gonna have a strawberry Kool-Aid ice cream. It's been about 16 hours. I let it sit. I wanted to eat it so bad last night. But let's check it out. So it's been sitting out some, so I can try to scoop it. Let's try to scoop it. Have a little scoop. Let's go ahead and taste it. Oh, that's really good. I'm glad I used the vanilla soy milk because it gave it like a strawberry vanilla effect, and it's really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, let me know by giving me a like, and let me know down in the comments what flavor would you try, because now that I know that it's super delicious, I'm gonna try so many different flavors and I'm gonna put them together, and yes, but hope you guys have a good day, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.